Hello, I'm Dom from TJ Mobility, and today I'm going to talk you through the Minimo Autofold. It's part of the Minimo family, which are foldable and transportable scooters, which are very handy if you're going on holiday or you just want to fold it up and put it into the car boot. This is different though in the sense that it's automated folding. It's very easy to operate in the sense there's just one fob that you just put across the hand controls and the foot pedal. You just press them at the same time and that will start the process. It's very handy if you have limited dexterity, you might have a bad back, you might be on your own and you might just need that extra bit of help. So it's very easy to adjust to your needs. There's an adjustable tiller which can move up and down, adjustable armrests, so it just makes getting into the seat a little easier. These can go backwards and forwards and up and down. There's plenty of leg room down here, so you're not going to have cramped knees. There's at the front a lifting handle which is very easy to locate. It's a 4 mile an hour scooter, very lightweight. It has a maximum user weight of 18 stone and it has a range of 9 miles. The seat is it's an orthopedic seat, so it's very comfortable, and it just sort of relaxes your shoulders and has less pressure on your elbows and your hands. It's also a very smooth ride. This is kitted out with pneumatic tyres, and also this is like the Minimo Plus 4. The wheels are quite far apart at the front, so you have that extra stability. So that's the Minimo Autofold. Like everything with TGA, it comes with a comprehensive warranty, excellent after-sales service, and a thorough assessment of your needs beforehand. I hope that's been useful. Thank you very much for watching.